What if I told you that you could start trading Forex in the Forex market with simply $10? And you could begin to do this with zero risk even before you start. Hi, this is Elisha, and I'm from Earning Elite Apps. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the platform that I use for trading Forex. I'll be talking about how you can start your trading journey simply and confidently. I urge you to stick around because this could be your financial game changer. I'll be right back. A lot of people are scared of trading. They think it's complicated and they need thousands of dollars for them to begin to trade Forex. Some platforms are confusing with endless charts and indicators. This is where Quotex stands out. Quotex is a user-friendly binary options platform. All you have to do is you predict whether the price of a currency pair will either go up or go down. Then you initiate the trading session according to your prediction within 4 or 5 minutes. If everything goes according to how you had predicted, then you walk away with the profits. That sounds much easier, right? That's how it is. You don't need to be a financial expert for you to be able to make those predictions. Quotex is designed for clarity and ease of use, which makes it perfect for beginners like you. So why should you choose Quotex? Let me give you 3 key reasons. Number 1, it actually offers you a small start. That's just $10 and you're in. You don't need thousands of dollars, just $10 and you are in. You can open a trading account and make your first deposit of $10. This low barrier makes it one of the most accessible platforms out there. So you can start small, learn, and then grow your capital without a huge upfront investment. Number 2, it actually offers you an opportunity to create a free demo account where you'll be able to practice until you gain some confidence. And once you have some confidence enough to switch to a real account, then you can later on do that and begin to trade using your real account. And this offers you a zero risk opportunity of you trading Forex. Then number 3, Quotex offers high payout rates, sometimes over 90%. That means if you invest $10 correctly, then you can walk away with $19. The interface is clean and powerful, allowing you to execute trades in seconds across various time frames. So are you ready to take the first step without any risk? What I want you to do is this: head on to the description section, you head on to the comment section, look for the link that I've planted there in. You see, sometimes if you look up a link on Google, you might end up on a wrong platform. So what you do is head on to the description section, click the link, and after you click it, create an account. And after you create an account, make sure that you have it verified. So now, after you create an account, make sure that you join my Telegram group. I'll be dropping some signals on that group, as well as some lessons that will help you grow in confidence and then begin to trade like you've never done before. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video.